So I hope you enjoyed this video in sunny Surfers Paradise. I really enjoyed making these videos. It's not easy. Please support this channel by pressing the subscribe button below. If you're thinking on coming to visit the Gold Coast, please remember to bring your sunscreen, particularly in summer. It's going to get really hot with this Queensland sun. If you've got any video requests, feel free to send me a DM on my channel or send me a message on my Facebook page, Jetaway Adventures. Links are in the description below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care out there.